everyone, so today I'm going to be doing another fun no heat summer hair tutorial because I have been really experimenting stuff with my hair, and I just newly found this thing where I just want some parts of my hair to be crimped and some parts of my hair to be straight. So I just like how creative you could be with your hair, so it's not all crimped up. Though, if you want your hair to be fully crimped, if you want that Beyonce inspired crimped hair, or like Fergie's crimped hair without using no heat on your hair, I will be linking a video right here, or that I'm going to put that on the description box below. I'm going to link it there, and yeah, you can go click that. That is also a no heat hair tutorial, so if you guys want to see it, I'm going to be linking it down below, or I will annotate it here somewhere. So basically what we're going to be doing is we are going to be doing some snake braid. I'm going to zoom in and teach you guys how to do it. So here we go. So basically when you do a snake braid, it's so simple and easy actually. Okay, so what you do is you first just braid your hair. Just do a regular braid. Once you get here, all you have to do is just have you see these three strands right here. You're going to be taking these two strands and you're just going to push this up just like that. Push it up, and if it gets stuck, because my hair is like so crazy long, so you can readjust that and then pull it up even more, then readjust it again, and you'll have that kind of braid. Okay, so the rest you can leave them straight. But I'm just going to leave that as is. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take an elastic band and I'm going to wrap that. So basically you have to do this all over your hair, and depending on what size you want, you can always reconstruct that. Okay? Okay. You'd get more crimped if the snake braids stay together like this. Hi everyone, so this is how it looks like. You can even create big snake braids just like that. Basically that's what I did. So I'm going to unveil each and every one of these on my hair, and let's take this first part, and I'm going to zoom in just so you guys can see it well, how it unties. Produces this really nice crimped-ish wave on your hair. Looks like that. So that's exactly what I want. I want something crimpy, and then I want a straight hair and then another crimp. Because I just think that that's really creative. If you don't like it, then you can hover on to my crimped hair tutorial and you can follow that. But I just like how it turns out just like that. So I'm going to untie every single one of these things on my hair, and let us see the results.